Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove Lovable badge. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to hide the Lovable badge from one of your projects using the project settings. This is a quick process, but it helps to know exactly where to click so you can make the change smoothly and confirm you're in the right place. To begin, open Lovable and go to the dashboard or homepage. This is where your available projects are listed. Once the dashboard loads, look for the sample project shown in your project list and click to open it. If you have several projects, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, since the badge setting is managed individually for each project. After the project opens, move your attention to the top left area of the screen. There, click on the project name. This opens the project menu and gives you access to additional options related to that specific project. If the interface feels a little compact, just pause for a second and make sure you're clicking the project title itself in the upper left corner. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the project settings page, where you can manage different preferences and controls for the project. Settings pages often contain a number of sections, so don't worry if you don't see the badge option immediately. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find the section related to the Lovable badge. Take your time here because depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, the option may appear a bit lower on the page than expected. You're looking specifically for the Lovable badge setting. When you find it, click the Hide Lovable Badge toggle button to turn it on. Enabling this toggle hides the badge for that project. After you switch it on, it's a good idea to pause briefly and visually confirm that the toggle remains enabled, so you know the change has been applied. And that's it. You've successfully updated the project setting to remove the Lovable badge. If you ever want to show it again later, you can return to the same settings area and change the toggle back. If the update doesn't appear right away on your live project, try refreshing the page or checking the project preview to confirm the change. Thanks for following along, and that's how to remove the Lovable badge.